Now we day here. It was on 2022. We want to use this opportunity to inform the general public that we don't have the biggest of venue. We don't have the biggest of venue. So by the special grace of God, we are all out, as you can see, to bring IGBO ZUO ONU to your doorstep. So they can hear pota. They can hear your obo nefu anyi ozugbo iwelu ticket nkege. Maka na mgba na-ekwu aneteka. So, by the special grace of God, we are about to hit all the streets of Abidjan. We are going to try to the best of our ability to cover all as many places as possible. So, consider it. I want you to cameraman, just watch go to the convoy. Just watch. I want you to consider it a very precious opportunity to grab your own ticket and be part of this wonderful event that has promised to be so much fun, entertainment to the brain, and so many other things that you can expect.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. Confirm. So please, according to I want to repeat the question again. There's some people that is waiting for the day. The day for them to buy the ticket.
Yes, it's a customary thing with our people in the this popular saying that Nandi Bada was a good so, dear sir, excellencies, high chiefs, and distinguished ladies and gentlemen, by the special grace of God, we want IGBO ZUO ONU to serve as fun entertainment, and we wish everybody to be part of it. And by the special grace of God, this time around we are keeping the record very straight, so it is first come, first serve. If you want to be part of IGBO ZUO ONU 20, of course there are going to be subsequent show. We wish that this show will accommodate as many as possible, but at the same time we have to acknowledge that we have limited space for this event. So for those that will really want to be part of this show, we expect you to book your ticket and book it now before the event. So you can get your ticket at Madam Kelvin's Kitchen, Ajame Abita. You can get your ticket at Ozuge Benaja Restaurant. You can get your ticket at Elite Global Office at Forum. You can get your ticket at Mama Chiamaka as Place, Ebon Elifeni. You can get your ticket at St. Charles, Luanga. You can get your ticket with MC Alinki. You can get your ticket with MC Edubaka. You can get your ticket with MC Agama. You can get your ticket with Techakun. You can get your ticket with King Paul. Wow. You can also reach me. So on my phone number 0555755545 for your tickets. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Because Okona Thomas, you know about now here. You got a neck Maria. I will Jupiter na Gracia. That is all for you.